Investing in the stock market can be exciting and challenging. To succeed, it's important to understand the principles and practices of stock market trading. Both books and movies can offer valuable insights into the world of finance and stock market trading. This article will highlight the top 5 books and movies that offer comprehensive and entertaining perspectives on the stock market. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, these resources are sure to provide valuable information and inspiration. The Intelligent Investor, by Benjamin Graham. This classic book, first published in 1949, is considered to be one of the best books ever written on investing. Graham's philosophy of value investing has influenced countless investors, including Warren Buffett. One Up on Wall Street, by Peter Lynch. This book provides insight into the investment philosophy of one of the most successful mutual fund managers of all time. Lynch shares his approach to stock picking and explains how average investors can beat the market by investing in what they know. The Little Book of Common Sense Investing is a classic book by John C. Bogle, founder of Vanguard Group. It advocates for passive investing through low-cost index funds and outlines the dangers of trying to beat the market through stock picking or market timing. The Warren Buffett Way, by Robert Hagstrom. This book provides a detailed look at the investment strategies of Warren Buffett, the world's greatest investor. Hagstrom examines Buffett's approach to stock selection, value investing, and decision-making to provide readers with a roadmap for success in the stock market. Trading for a Living, by Alexander Elder. This book provides a complete guide to trading, including both the psychological and technical aspects of the business. Elder covers everything from the basics of chart analysis to risk management, and provides a solid foundation for anyone looking to trade in the stock market. The Wolf of Wall Street, 2013. This Martin Scorsese film stars Leonardo DiCaprio as Jordan Belfort, a stockbroker who engages in rampant corruption and fraud on Wall Street in the 1990s. The film provides a dramatized but intriguing look into the high-stakes world of stock market trading and the excesses of the era. Boiler Room, 2000. This film, directed by Ben Younger, follows a young stockbroker who joins a questionable brokerage firm and becomes embroiled in a world of corruption and greed. It provides a cautionary tale about the dangers of cutting corners and the importance of ethics in the financial world. Margin Call, 2011. This drama, directed by J.C. Shander, takes place over the course of a single night at an investment bank and focuses on a group of employees as they grapple with the consequences of a risky investment gone wrong. It provides a tense and insightful look into the world of high finance and the ethical dilemmas faced by those who work in it. The Big Short, 2015, is a movie directed by Adam McKay based on Michael Lewis' book. The film stars Christian Bale, Steve Carell, Ryan Gosling, and Brad Pitt and focuses on the 2008 financial crisis. It highlights a group of investors who bet against the housing market bubble and made profits. The film is known for its creative explanation of complex finance and its cautionary tale on greed and critical thinking in the financial world. Too Big to Fail, 2011. This HBO film, based on the book of the same name by Andrew Ross Sorkin, provides a dramatized account of the 2008 financial crisis and the events that led up to it. It provides a unique look into the inner workings of the financial industry and the decisions made. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe now.